You were like trying to drive the whole business forward, and like you realize you're like no one's actually taking the reins here. Uh,
Yeah, it was a bit of that. So, I mean, not
yeah,
to, there were certain directors would, obviously do a good job with clients. They'd identify certain business, but it wasn't like a real, a lot of push. And we're in small and micro cap companies, so you have a lot of ground to cover. So it's very hard to know if you're covering good clients or bad clients, but you have your time. You can't double yourself as a director. So it's hard. So,
yeah,
anyways, the business, for me, I learned quite a bit but just business in general, from being in there and trying to grow a platform. So, I did see it slow, and for me, I wanted to find something that was growing, and also to be being a principal investor. I think that to me meant a lot, and you kind of control your destiny a lot more. I think being an active investor.